Facing problems with TikTok Live Studio on your iPhone? It could be due to outdated apps, account restrictions, or network issues. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix those problems. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's how you can fix issues with TikTok Live Studio on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.